Pacific Islands to the jungles of Vietnam. Recon the Afghan mountains, making tracks in Iraqi sand. Yes, we are soldiers, alert and standing proud, with teeth and claws and crushing jaws and paws on the ground. We are the guardians, we are the dogs of war. Show no fear when bullets fly, our nerves are made of iron. Unsung heroes for our country, through fires of hell we're duty bound. Canine troops, shadowing combat boots, we are balls on the ground. Parachuting to a firefight, we're tracking for the SAR, searching for a long lost soul whose time is counting down. Bringing down a bad guy, or sniffing out an IED, or standing watch over a foxhole while our handler tries to sleep. We are the guardians, we are the dogs of war. Show no fear when bullets fly, our nerves are made of iron. Unsung heroes for our country, through fires of hell we're duty bound. Canine troops, shadowing combat boots, we are paws on the ground. Medals or commendations ever passed our way. Loving praise from our handler is what we draw and pay. For a job fraught with danger every time we go down range, so we'll try to keep them safe from harm. For us they'll do the same. We are the guardians, we are the dogs of war. Show no fear when bullets fly, our nerves are made of iron. Unsung heroes for our country, through fires of hell we're duty bound. Canine troops, shadowing combat boots, we are balls on the ground. We are the guardians, we are the dogs of war. Show no